as you can see, croeso I ddydd Iau, we're down on the floor today. So I'm just going to start. Today we're going to be doing the cat and the cow pose. Now I know in the infants you've been doing all about the Chinese New Year, and I'm not sure what happened to the cat and the cow, but they're here today. So now then, first of all, we're going to start off by making some really nice wide cat paws, and we're just going to pop them down on the ground in front of us. Now as you can see, my shoulder is over my wrist to keep everything nice and neat and nice and safe, and I've got my knees on the floor and my hips are over my knees. I'm just checking my legs. Yes, I've got 2 train tracks behind me, and I'm pushing up out of it, pushing out. I'm nice and strong. Okay, and I'm looking down because I want to keep that neck nice and long. Now then, I keep my tummy in as well, so I've got my core muscles. So we've got a nice tabletop position now, so you can imagine that you're putting a nice little cup and saucer on our backs, and our backs are straight. So let's just take some breaths here. In through the nose, and you can either breathe out through your nose or out through your mouth. In and out. In and out. Now then, we're going to start by making the cat first of all. So we're going to tuck our head in to look at our tummies. We're going to tuck our tailbone in, and we're going to curve our backs up, and we're going to be looking at our tummy buttons. Now we're going to move to our cow pose, and as we move to our cow pose, we can take a breath in. So start lifting our heads, looking forward with our chest, and our tailbone is coming out, and we can even waggle our little tailbone tail like a cow would. Okay, so we're taking a breath in here, and breathe out as we move into our cat pose by tucking our tailbone in nice and slowly and pushing right up through our back, and we can almost feel the skin on our back stretching a little bit as we breathe out. I'm breathing in, cat, and out into cow, into cat, and out to cow. Now then, some of you might find it easier like that, but Mrs. Kenny likes to put her feet flat on the floor. Now I'm back into tabletop position. Now then, I'm going to swing my legs around. So that is cat and cow pose, and that's a really good pose to do when you just get out of bed, because it makes your body feel, it makes your back feel nice and long and taller. So it's really good for your spine and the rest of your body. So from behalf of my friend and I, we're going to say, Hwyl fawr am y tro!